Hey everybody! As I said last time, I needed to check to see what the one plate difference in my buildings was going to do, because I put this window, you probably can't see it because I can't focus, right here. I built this to be consistent with the Newhouse building. But now that there's the one plate difference, I was afraid that this wouldn't actually match up. And so I wanted to get some of my stair pieces in. I had to wait for the parts to come, and it does look like that I am one brick off. Sorry, I have nowhere to shoot this angle from. So I've used some different color bricks so you can see essentially what it's going to look like. This is one of the general staircases, and then there will be another one that goes along the other side. Apologize for the video. I can't hold everything steady and shoot at the same time. So this is one plate short, so I've got to move this whole middle column up a plate, which isn't that hard to do, but I didn't want to get any further than I was. I've actually been looking at this too and thought I need to possibly change my design the way I've used. I don't know if you can see right here, I've hung these 1x2 plates that have the pinhole in them, and I used that and I hung them from this one and then dropped it down, and I thought, well, maybe it'd be just better to hook it straight on and see if I can get it to match up. It will ultimately push my stair a little bit too far into this space that I would like, but I think it is going to be sturdier. The thing I don't want to do though is I have all these pieces that I've bought. I probably shouldn't have bought any of these modified pins. I wanted to use black pins. This is a 3-length pin. Well, it's a 1 pin with a 2-length axle. And because it's really hard to find the 1x1 pin axle in black. Although that's actually what I use. I use the gray ones over here. I don't think it looks that bad. Those are easy to find, and I may switch it out, which means I've got about 200 of these pins that I'm not going to use now. Anyways, I've got to get a lot of parts. I probably need to change this design out, get rid of that pin, shorten it up, and change this to a 6-length axle, because 5-length axle in black is kind of hard to find. And I think I've been pointing at things and you can't even see them on the screen right now. But I've got a lot of work to do. This is the beginnings of the fire escape, and I will keep working on it, and we will see you next time.